Okay, I had to insert this. How about I almost forgot to show y'all these dope earrings. These are so fly. Look at these. Look at her. Y'all see how fly these are, right? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning. Okay, right. So let me tell y'all about this shape, right? Y'all know I get my wood shapes cut, but let me tell y'all about this shape. This particular shape I had probably since 07 or 08, and I was looking through some wood and I found a mat. Back in the days when Michael sold nice, good quality wood, I would literally buy the whole bins. They don't sell the shapes like they used to sell back then. So they were so sturdy, good quality. Y'all see this? The only thing that was drawn on one of them was this little area right here. Y'all see that? Just that little part, not the words, just the colors. That's all that was drawn. So when I drew it, I incorporate this in this design. And I literally was listening to Bob Marley, Don't Worry About a Thing. And that's as I was figuring out what I want to draw. And I've been saying for a couple of years I was going to make some earrings that say that. It never got around to it. But when I heard that song, I said, you know what? It's time. Literally been saying that probably over 10 years. And they say, don't worry about a thing. And then her. She literally came to me as I was drawing her. And she came out cute. Yeah. So I wanted to share this with y'all. Look how dope they are. Whoa. Don't worry about a thing. Yeah. This is a one-of-a-kind pair, y'all. I'll probably make it again. I don't know. I have to get my cutter to cut a shape this size like this. Yeah. All right. Salam, salam. Look over here. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a earring of the week. Okay, y'all. I know I haven't been uploading videos. I've been crazy busy, but y'all gonna get like videos back to back to back to back to back. I have some unboxing video. I have some gifts that was sent to me. I have a sponsorship that was sent to me. I have a couple of videos that's coming up, so y'all gonna just see a lot of videos come back to back to back to back. So let me show y'all these dope earrings that I've been creating in the midst of me being crazy busy. All right, this is the first pair, and this is a one-of-a-kind pair, and they will be on knoirdesigns.com. They're cool. I have another pair similar to this that I duplicate. They're on my boabw.com. They have like a stain. What a stain at the bottom of the top. I think the stain is at the bottom, but they similar to these, but they don't have this bead. I think this bead is so fly. Look. This is how they would look. Y'all know all my earrings are very, very lightweight. So that is that one. The next pair is these right here. And they are a one-of-a-kind pair. They will also be on knoirdesigns.com if y'all can see that. I don't know why it won't let me show y'all close up for some reason. So I'll put a picture over here so y'all can see it. But yeah, it got like a little, like some elephants on land. They were so cool to work to make. I made these like really, really quick, y'all. Did the background. Put the charm on there, and there they go. And these are like a 1.5 inch. They're pretty small. Not to somebody else they might be big, but to me they're small earrings compared to these. These are about what, a 2.7 inch, and these like a 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Yeah. And if y'all want to learn how to make these earrings right here, they are made out of vertical blinds. I have a video on K.Noir Designs if you want to learn how to make this technique. The next pair, I call these my Indigenous what, a warrior. I think it's Indigenous warrior earrings. So these are fly, right? They got a balance. They got a yin and a yang on there. And then they very lightweight. Just so cool. Y'all see that? So cool. Yeah, see my Indigenous earrings. Like ear and ring. But it's a slash between ear and ring. Because they rings. Yeah. So these are fly. And this is a seed right here, y'all. Y'all see that? It's a seed. And I love the way they came out. So this is also a one-of-a-kind pair. That last pair was a one-of-a-kind pair, y'all, the rings. This is a one-of-a-kind pair, and it's also on knoirdesigns.com. And I'm loving this green. And I'll talk about more of the paint I used on these in another video that's coming up. This is the back of these. One-of-a-kind pair, so fly. Very lightweight. So that is those. I don't even know if I put these on the site yet. I gotta put these on the site. Another one-of-a-kind pair right here. They're so fly. So fly. Funky fly right here. Y'all know how I do my flip-flop earrings. Been doing them for years. And this is a dope pair. This was fun to create. Yeah, so these are on knoirdesigns.com. Let me show you another pair. So these was really fun to make. Y'all seen a drawing video as I was drawing her. I should have showed y'all from the raw, like the beginning. This is my original design. So I should have showed y'all before when I drew it with pencil and then went in. But I have some videos coming up. Like I said, I got a lot of videos coming up back to back. So this is Queen, what I named her? Queen Nia. Queen Nia, which means purpose. And I got a whole story about her. I'm gonna do some voiceovers, and I'm creating these little stories about these earrings, how they come to me. So I'll let y'all know more about that soon. And this is her locks sheen. Yeah. So she got locks, not braids. They might look like braids, but they're locks. Yeah, these was fun to make. So this would look like that. And this will look like that. Alrighty. So the next pair are these. This is a tribute to Marcus Garvey. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. And this says, a people without the knowledge. Wait, let me return. It says, a people without the knowledge of their past, history, and origin and culture is like a tree without roots. And then over here I got Marcus Garvey, and I got a beautiful Afro lady tree. And I'm really feeling these because, you know, on some woods it might have like, I wanted to make that just look so woodsy. Yeah. So that is that. So this pair is a one-of-a-kind pair too. I might make it again, but I might use different beads. Yeah. So yeah, I'll make it again. I might just use a different bead from this. Alright. These are a pair that came to me. I went to a sister on the phone, and these just popped up. I literally made these within an hour. You know, touch-ups a little later, but they came out so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So her name is Uniba, and she's queen mother of a tribe called Uma. Yeah, the tribe is called Uma. And she lived over in the area where California is before it was California. And she was a queen mother, and she was also a healer. So it's something in the works coming up. Just came to me, so but I know exactly what it is. I kind of knew that when I was making her. So yeah, so this is her. And then this is Una. Una is her tribe. All this came to me, like literally. Her name is Yaniba, and his name Umosa. And he's 13 years old. He's a warrior. And this is Yaniba's son. And these are very spiritual earrings. I have a jade bead, and I have a hematite, carper. And when I tell you the story that comes with this, y'all can go on the K.Noir Designs and read about it. Literally everything came to me right then. I feel like they was real and they just came to me, but they live over in the area of California before it was California. Before even Hawaii was Hawaii, all that was connected. And they was indigenous black people that lived over there. She was a queen mother, Yaniba, and queen and her young warrior son, Umosa. And on the back you have freedom with a card shell, and you have my signature, and then you have healing with a card shell. All right, check out the detail, y'all. Look at that. These would be just like that. These come with a gift. All right, so y'all go check them out on K.Noir Designs. These will be duplicated. I need to make a stencil of these. I need to make a stencil for myself. I know I could draw them freehand. I'm drawing, but I'm gonna make a stencil. All right, so let me show y'all some stuff that's this is a one order. This sister, she ordered these. I'm gonna just show y'all these for the people that haven't seen this design. I've been making earrings for 13 years, so it's so many pairs that I have that a lot of y'all probably never seen. So I'm gonna show y'all this right here. This, ew, they look really good. I'm always making these lately, but this is in Arabic. It's a Bismillah, which means in the name of God or the name of Allah. Yeah, Bismillah, 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 Bismillah. Yeah, so in the name of God. So that is those. The sister ordered those. She ordered these. I always love making these. I've been making these a lot lately too. Yeah, so she ordered these. And she, the same beloved queen ordered these. This is a timeless piece design that I've been making for some time. And she ordered these, which is a hot seller that's been selling for years. I had this Gianni shape way before a lot of people start making earrings. Yeah. All right. So, and then it's the back of them. Did I show y'all the back of one of them? Was fine. All right. All these I'm showing y'all are on boabwart.com. And then this is the last pair the sister ordered, which is Marcus Musiah Garvey. He's been on my mind a lot lately. All right, so I have two more pair, and I want to show y'all these, but they're not glossy. And I know once they gloss in them, they're gonna be. I'm gonna show y'all. These are fly, and they're one of a kind. They're not glossed, but look at them, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this. Wait till they get gloss. I don't think it's giving it justice. Can y'all see that? So these are by sets. These are by set earrings. Yeah. So I'll do an earring of the day, and I'll show y'all them when they complete. Once they glossed and everything. Alright, so I just wanted to share them with y'all. I have another pair that's not done, and they're going to be on knoirdesigns.com, and they're not completely done, but they're almost there. I'm loving this bead. Got the elephant on there. Right there. Alright, so those two, I would do an earring, unity earring of the day, and I'll show those two so y'all can see them again once they glossed and everything. All right, y'all. I have a couple of Black Business spotlights coming up. I have a lot of videos coming up. I got a lot of tutorials coming up. After y'all finish seeing the Kwanzaa series, which I know it is behind. The thing is, I just have to edit it. Some of those videos when I shoot them be like some up to 20 to 30 minutes, and I try to chop them down. So y'all will see all them. They coming back to back. I know I said that in my last video, but they are coming back to back. And also, let me look at the camera. Also, I know in my last video I wasn't, because I'm not shooting from what I was shooting from my phone right now. So yeah. And then I have another series that I'm starting on. It's not a DIY series. It's just a series. It's gonna be a nature series. I'll talk more about that. And what else I have to say? Yeah. So if you want to support this channel, there's a PayPal link in the description box, and there's also a Cash App link in the description box. Also, don't forget to pick up litter in your neighborhood, and if you can go to your rescue or local shelter and adopt a pet today. Also, y'all, I want to tell y'all that for some years I've been creating Haiti earrings. Let me show y'all a picture up here. I've been creating these Haiti earrings for years. I'll show you a couple of pictures of how long I've been making them. And at the time when I started creating the Haiti earrings, I was donating to Yale Haiti. If y'all remember Yale Haiti, that was an organization that Wycliffe Jean was a part of, and it folded for different reasons. After that, I was donating to another organization for Haiti, and something happened with that. So now I donate to this organization right here. And every time I sell a pair of those Haiti earrings, I give, the Haiti earrings are $10. I give half of it, $5, to this organization. The earthquake hit Haiti some years ago. It's still so much going on with Haiti, because right after that, more stuff came. And you know, Haiti is a place to my heart. I always just had this connection with Haiti. Not that I know of. I don't know if I had Haitian blood in me. I do have Haitian blood in me, because I have that warrior blood, and they beat Napoleon them behind. And I don't know if y'all ever heard of Macadal. He was a warrior that was messing them up over there, and you know, so I have a connection with Haiti. Always have. And I have a connection with a lot of places. But let me say this. So now I'm looking for an organization to help the people in Puerto Rico. Y'all know what happened in Puerto Rico. So that's one that I'm looking for. And I'm also looking for an organization from the Bahamas. I found a local one that take clothes and stuff, but I want to find one online to donate. It was with the Deltas. I think I spoke on that before. So, you know, we all have to give back. I'm grateful for everything that I receive, and I always give back. Always. From clean up the earth, taking care of animals, helping people when I can. All right, y'all. So let me go, and I hope y'all enjoying y'all new year. I am enjoying my year. I've been so busy, and I need some rest, and I will get some soon. When you have a purpose to do, sometimes you got to work overtime. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.